Hi, in this video I'm going to show you guys some basics of finding integrals of sine and cosine functions. Okay, so let's start. So again, when we talk about integration, we do need our knowledge of finding derivatives, right? So our knowledge of finding derivatives will help us in terms of finding the integrals. Okay, so when I'm integrating sine x with respect to x, what should be going through my mind would be, okay, so what do I differentiate so I get sine x? Right, so I hope by now we are familiar with differentiating trig functions. So if I differentiate cos x, if I differentiate cos x, I get sine x. Right? In fact, if I differentiate cos x, I don't just get sine x. So if I differentiate cos x with respect to x, I actually get negative sine x. Right? Negative sine x. So if I differentiate just cos x, I'll get negative sine x. But over here, I'm trying to find something that when I differentiate that something, I get sine x, which means I will have to put a negative in the front, so that the negative, let me change my color, this negative here cancels out with that negative there when I differentiate it. Make sense? Okay, so that's it. And don't forget to add that constant at the back. Okay? Now, that's integrating just the sine x. So let's see what we do when we integrate a cosine x. Very similar. So you should be asking yourself, what do I differentiate? What am I going to differentiate so that gives me a cosine x? So this is actually a bit easier than the previous one. So when I differentiate sine x, I get cosine x. Right? When I differentiate sine x with respect to x, when I differentiate sine x with respect to x, I get cosine x. Okay, so which means when I integrate cosine x, I'll get sine x, and don't forget the constant at the back. All right, this is just a very basic video about integrating sine x and cosine x. Hope you guys understand this. If not, let's discuss about it in class. See ya.